Hello. My name is Alex. I am an audio bot for BestFreePennyStocks.com. I will be reading to you today. Title: Penny Stocks Information brought to you by BestFreePennyStocks.com. Penny stocks are an opportunity. They are an opportunity for you to learn about investing in the stock market, and they are an opportunity for you to potentially get in on the ground floor of a new technology or the next Apple or Genentech. If you are curious about investing in the stock market and do not have a great deal of money to risk while you are learning, consider buying penny stocks. Penny stocks basics. Penny stocks are sometimes also referred to as pink sheet stocks or micro-cap stocks. They are sold for less than $5 per stock and do not require you to buy thousands of dollars of stock with your initial purchase. Penny stocks are often offered by companies when they are conducting their initial public offering (IPO) and they are seeking investors to increase their capital. Although you may see spectacular news coverage for popular companies when they conduct their IPO where getting in the ground floor costs tens of thousands of dollars. Think Facebook and Starbucks. The reality is that most initial public offerings happen quietly and do not cost a great deal of money to participate in. Micro-cap stocks are traded on NASDAQ, the NYSE and MX. In Canada, you can find penny stocks being traded on the Toronto Venture Exchange and the Toronto Stock Exchange. Penny stocks are popular investments on many stock exchanges throughout the world, including European and Asian markets, in addition to smaller stock exchanges in the United States. For small investors, micro-cap stocks can be a very attractive prospect. Instead of taking thousands of dollars for an investment, it is possible to invest in a company with only a few $100s. This provides an opportunity for both large and small investors to learn how to buy and sell stocks without risking large amounts of money. Advantages of micro-cap stocks. There are many advantages to investing in penny stocks. Penny stocks are a great training ground for investors. By investing only a small amount of money, you can learn how to manage your stocks, when to buy and when to sell stocks, all with only a very small amount of money. Micro-cap stocks also are a good place to pick up stocks in up-and-coming companies. With all of the incredible new technologies, the penny stock market is a wonderful place to find a small company with a game-changing technology that is looking for investors as they build up their capital. By investing in a good penny stock, you can also make a great deal of money in a short period of time. Often, companies offer their stocks at a low price to make them attractive to a large number of investors. As the stock gains momentum and popularity, the stock price increases, often very quickly. It is possible to see the value of your stock double, triple or more within a matter of hours. Many investors also like to participate in penny stock trading because you do not need the services of a stockbroker. Instead, you can buy micro-cap stocks as common shares on almost all stock market exchanges. By investing in penny stocks without a stockbroker, you can learn about the stock market at the most introductory and informative way possible. You will need to research potential companies, buy and sell stocks on your own. Managing your own stock investments without a stockbroker can also save you money on commissions and brokerage fees. If you have an interest in becoming a day trader, penny stocks are also a wonderful training ground and place for that activity. Since the value and prices of micro-cap stocks can shift greatly within a short period of time, day traders love micro-cap stocks. Higher value stocks often require investing for a long period of time before significant profits can be made on them. However, penny stocks can provide opportunities for profits within a matter of hours. In fact, one of the recommended strategies for investing in micro-cap stocks is to sell them once the price reaches a certain level, which often occurs within a day or less. The good news is that with enough patience, your investment may very well pay off. For some technologies and services, it can take a few years for you to see any significant return on your investment. It may take time for the technology to become popular or become ready for introduction to the general public. If you invest in the next technology to change the world dramatically when it only costs $3 per share, think of what it will be worth when it catches on and everyone is clamoring for the next iteration to be introduced. This is the potential that microcap stocks represent. Risks and disadvantages of microcap stocks. Trading stocks in any form is not without risks. However, if you are aware of the risks and willing to learn how to trade penny stocks smartly, the benefits can be tremendous. One risk that is often touted as a reason to avoid penny stocks is that their price can fluctuate radically within a short period of time. As more people buy the stock, the price rises. By the same token, if investors become disenchanted or scared of the stock for some reason, they will sell off their investment and the price begins to fall. By using smart stock investment strategies, however, it is possible to avoid significant losses. For some investors, the disadvantages of microcap stocks are enough to make them shy away. The traditional view of investing in the stock market is that investors should choose companies with proven track records of success and invest for the long term based on that track record. However, with microcap stocks, this is not the case. Most penny stocks are offered by companies with very short track records. There is the distinct possibility that their new technology or services will fall flat and not be successful. If this happens, then the stock loses value or even becomes worthless. If you do not want to risk a great deal of money but are interested in the stock market, penny stocks may be exactly what you are looking for as an investment tool. Microcap stocks provide you with the opportunity to learn about the stock market by only spending a few $100s rather than a few thousand. Microcap stocks also provide you with the potential opportunity to invest in a company that will make a large amount of money for you in a short period of time. Although penny stocks are not without risk, they provide tremendous opportunities for small investors and are worth considering as an investment. To learn about penny stocks, stock tips, and much more, visit BestFreePennyStocks.com.